Hey, it's Atif here, one of SEO executives at Parliament. Today we are gonna study about what things to do in terms of SEO while optimizing a service-based or any of our website's page. So first of all, mostly what I'm doing is I'm optimizing its meta stuff. So for that, the extension from where I'm getting help is detailed SEO extension. That is here we can get this installed from Chrome store, and then over here it will show us the meta stuff like the titles and description. So first of all, I'm mostly optimizing the titles at the first. So in the title what I have pasted is uh, one of the power keyword, and then our main keyword from here to here, and then a few more words to hook the pain point of the user, and same goes for the description. So to add these all things like the meta stuff and SEO relevant things, the plugin that I'm mostly using to get help for the SEO is the RankMath SEO plugin. That is maybe shown over here, and it shows us multiple details about the SEO, what things to do and what to not. So what we do is simply click on edit with Elementor or wherever this page is built. Then I will go to the SEO tab. This option will be shown after installing the RankMath SEO plugin. And from here, we can go to edit snippet. And over here, it will show us the spaces to add titles and descriptions. So over here, I am mostly optimizing the meta stuff. So in the title, try to use one power keyword at least, and then the main keyword, and then try to hook the pain point of the users too. And in the description, simply try to hook the pain point of the user in the first sentence, and then add all of the details. And then the limit is already shown over here, and here the character limits that is perfect is 60 characters for titles and 160 characters for descriptions. So after adding these things, meanwhile, our main keyword is supposed to be added in the titles and also in the description. So both of these should have our main keyword, and also the H1. I mean the title and the H1 is mostly of the same intent, but in both of these we can target multiple keywords. But the intent of the title and the H1 should be like explaining all of the things that are discussed below in the content. So H1 should be highly relevant to the complete intent of the page, and same goes for the title and descriptions. Meanwhile, in title and H1 we can use multiple type of keywords that are having different type of search volumes, and that are being searched on Google by multiple users. So we can use those keywords, and then same thing, those keywords can be used in the other headings, the H2 heading and H3 heading, and then the ongoing things. So to check the heading hierarchy, I'm mostly using the same extension, detailed SEO extension. In this tab, it will show us the headings. So the heading hierarchy should be like this. There should be only one H1 heading in on the complete page, and H2 and H3 can be multiple, but there should be a sequence like H1 comes only once on a page, and H2 always comes under H1, and H3 always comes under H2. So we can't make any shortcuts like after H1 we can't directly add H3 headings. So that's how the heading hierarchy of a page is fixed. Meanwhile, we can change the tags of those from this thing, this option. So what we need to do is click on any heading, and from here we can change the heading tag of that specific heading. And then what I'm doing is I'm mostly optimizing the content by reading this, and then I'm adding multiple keywords in the content body too, and in the headings like in H1, H2, H3. So to find the keywords, I'm mostly finding doing multiple methods. The first one and the best method that I have experienced till now is the Google suggestion method. What we need to do is simply go to new tab, and in the search bar you need to search for the main keyword, like that is local SEO services in Canada. Then below this it will show us multiple suggestions, and then we can place a static symbol. The suggestions will be changed, and then we can place static symbol in the end, in the start, in the between, and on multiple places to change the suggestions, and then we can use this type of keywords. And the another method is the sitemap analysis method, that we mostly, I mean, we can get the keywords from the sitemaps of our competitors. What we will do is SEO. We will search for SEO services in Canada, for example. It's our main keyword, and then after searching main keyword in the Google, then it will show us multiple of our competitors. For example, I'm gonna go for this, and I will go to its sitemaps by adding sitemap.xml at the end of the URL. Over here, it will show us multiple pages and their links, and from here we can get idea about multiple keywords, like its first page is SEO services, it can be used as a keyword, and then the second one is local SEO services, the third one is international SEO services, the fourth one is white label SEO services. So these are some of the keyword ideas that we can build multiple pages on these, and then we can go for the scaled keywords in the same way. So that's how we mostly do the keyword research, and then we use those keywords in multiple locations in the content, and while optimizing the images or optimizing the headings or metas. So to optimize the images, we can go for multiple things, like I clicked on the image, and then over here we can add its titles and alt text, and then the description too. So over here we can add our keywords that we found from keyword research, and there are multiple variations in the titles, descriptions, and alt text. And to go more in deeper, what we can do is we can geotag these images by using geosetter tool, and then we can just optimize their metas and other stuff, and then we can also optimize the binary code of the images by adding the keywords into the binary code of the images. To do that, the thing that the website that I'm mostly using is exit.it, this one. From here we can optimize the binary code of the images. To do that, what we need to do is simply place upload the image over here, and then at the end of the code we can paste the keywords separated by commas, and then saving this, and now our image will be binary code optimized, and there will be keywords in the binary code of the images. Then another thing that we can do is we can add schemas to our pages. For example, the first one schema that mostly used on service based pages is the fax schema. So to create this, what we need to do is simply install the RankMath SEO plugin on your website, and then after adding the FAQs at the end of that section, you may see the schema option. You can add it from here, and then there are multiple type of other schemas you can generate from instant schema, and you can use on your website page. For example, to use I'm mostly using instantschema.com to generate the schemas, and from here we can select the type of schema whichever we are going to build. For example, for local business schema, I will click on that, and will add the details of our that specific page and company, and then over here it's asking for the image URL. I will copy the link of the logo and will paste it here, and then here it's asking for another URL. I will paste the website link and the phone number and street. So we can add all these details over here, and then what we can do is copy this from here, and then I will go to the website, and at the end of the page I will drag an element from here, that is HTML section. So I will paste it here, and then it will show us a box. Over here I can paste the schemas like this, and then we can click on publish. This schema will be implemented, and in the same way we can add multiple schemas from here. Like if we are gonna generate another schema, we can go for the YouTube video schema. There are two methods to automatically or manually generate the schema. We can paste the video URL and it will automatically create the schema. And in the same way we can do this for multiple schemas too. Like I'm going for the software application schema, it will ask the details. After adding these all details, then it will show us the code here, and after copying it I will go to the page, and then I will add an other HTML section under that like this, and over here I will paste that schema code. So that's how we can add multiple keywords as a schema on our website page. So that's another SEO checklist point. And after fixing that, we can go for other SEO things like the internal linking. So what we can do is from multiple of the anchor text like this, we can link to our other service-based pages or the any of our detailed pages that are available on our website. So to implement that, what we need to do is we need to go to our sitemap. That's the best method while doing the internal linking I am following. So I will go to my sitemap, and then I will go to the pages or the post whatever I want to link from that specific page. And for example, then over here I will found for the positions where I can link any of the pages from here. So the best practice is to add the internal links in top area of the page. So in the front section I have linked to the home page. So to do that, what we need to do is simply I'm gonna remove and show you again about this. So what we need to do to place the link is select some of the text, and then what we can do is we can press Ctrl plus K, or we can simply click on this to add the internal link. And over here I will paste the link of the desired page. For example, from here I was supposed to link my home page, so I have added that link and we'll click on enter, and that's it. That's how the interlink will be placed. And from other section, whatever keyword from wherever section, if we found any relevancy to any other page, then we can get a link from there. So that's about internal linking. And from most of the pages, the best practice is to uh, add internal links as do follow, and uh, add external links. For example, if you are linking to any external website that is not yours, then what you need to do is click on this edit symbol and then go to the settings, and from here if it's any external website and not yours, then check this one and also this one. So it would be best. And if we have interlinked any other someone else website, then so adding these tags may help us to save our authority from being shared with the competitors. But if we are adding our own website link, then we will not be adding the these type of tags over here. So that's about internal linking, and similarly we can go for the other on page checkpoints one by one from here.